Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and something that's come up often. It actually happened to my brother, and I still am amazed that he figured this out. But on the timing cover, you'll find the crank position sensor, and what it looks like with the timing cover off is this reluctor wheel that's right here. And as you can see, it has teeth that point forward, and it's picking that up with the sensor using a magnet to know the high and low points of that reluctor wheel. And so what has happened every once in a while is as people reassemble an engine, they put this wheel on backwards. And so since the teeth are not pointed forward, towards the front of the car, the sensor has a hard time picking them up at higher RPM. And that's what my brother had. He did not assemble the engine that way, but somebody else had assembled an engine that was in his car this way. And so he got to higher RPMs and the car would break up and misfire. And so this is something to definitely look into if the timing cover has ever been off, to make sure that those reluctor teeth are pointed forward towards the front of the car. I think it even does say front on that side of the reluctor wheel. And so he was able to look up in there and see it either with a mirror or something like that, and he figured it out. So good job for Justin SVT. But anyway, I had this footage and I wanted to put this out just to kind of show you, because people have talked about it before. It can cause a misfire, especially at the higher RPM, or the car not running properly. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description where I'll put a playlist for all the other videos that are like this. Thanks, guys.